Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing a new Casio Edifice watch, model EFV-C120D-3AEF with a green dial. Let's get started. The Casio Edifice series is renowned for its combination of innovative technology and sleek design, and the EFV-C120D is no exception. This model features a sophisticated green dial that stands out against its stainless steel case and bracelet, offering both durability and style. The mineral glass protects the dial from scratches, ensuring that your watch remains clear and easy to read. This model is water-resistant up to 100 meters, which means it can handle splashes, rain, and even swimming. However, it's not suitable for diving, so keep that in mind if you're planning any underwater adventures. The stainless steel bracelet adds a touch of elegance and is designed for comfort, making it suitable for all-day wear. A simple mechanism for opening and closing the watch bracelet. The Casio Edifice EFV-C120D is a fantastic choice for those who appreciate both form and function. Its striking green dial, robust features, and elegant design make it a versatile accessory for any occasion. The battery in this model lasts up to 10 years. Its features include stopwatch, world time, timer, alarm, and telememo for up to 30 numbers. The luminous hands ensure that you can read the time even in low-light conditions, making it practical for any situation. The case of this watch is 45 millimeters, and the weight is 141 grams. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.